Beneath the sun-drenched canopy, a symphony of life unfolds as Mirha and Hussein frolic in the forest's embrace. Mirha, a sprite of boundless energy, is in pursuit of fleeting butterflies, her laughter echoing through the tranquil wood. Hussein, captivated by the avian ballet above, is watching birds perched high upon the branches. Their parents, guardians of this idyllic interlude, are carefully laying out a picnic blanket. The forest, a verdant cathedral of towering trees, is bathed in the golden light of day. A cheerful and idyllic atmosphere pervades the scene, a sanctuary of joy and serenity. In the heart of the forest, a limping rabbit emerges cautiously from the dense bushes. Mirha spots the injured creature. "Mom, this rabbit is hurt." Her mother approaches, examining the rabbit with a knowing look. "Someone probably attacked it," Mom observes, her voice heavy with concern. In the quiet of night, Mirha sleeps, her face a canvas of serenity. The familiar bedroom fades, giving way to a magical forest, bathed in an otherworldly glow. Towering trees whisper secrets to the wind as animals move with human-like grace. A deer steps forward, its voice filled with sorrow. "We only want to live in peace, but humans keep killing us." A bird follows, its lament echoing through the trees. "Our forest has been cut down. We have nowhere to hide."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.